So I think this is gonna take us to this Oasis, Palm Oasis thing over here. At least I hope it does. I'm already getting sand in my shoes. We're off to a great start.
Now we're through. I mean, I like that it's kind of twisty turny, but it would be nice if it's kind of more direct, honestly.
Wow.
It's crazy how bushy palm trees.
It's crazy. Does look like there's been some fire out here too.
Yeah. Actually, something lives in that hole.
Yep. Probably something that's angry. Wow, I mean, that is just mounted up, dude. How these oases get formed is because like all this stuff piles up and piles up and piles up and starts to hold water.
Yep.
And then like a life comes in and God, look at this guy.
I don't know, a jungle movie or something.
It's like desert, 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 and then like a forest. This is a really weird landscape. This is just really crazy because we're about to come into this like shady, dense forest. And man, wow. Are you creeped out at all? I am. Whoa, dude, it's immediately cooler. And there's sounds again. God, these trees are insane, dude. Oh yeah, I mean my fucking shoes.
You want me to cut them out?
No, sorry. I won't hide from the reality of my mistakes. Look at the water droplets. That's, yeah. I've just never been in an environment like this. I never thought I would be, really, you know. There's all kinds of little holes in the ground that I know it's someone's home. Oh boy.
Yeah.
I wish I had shoes. I know, this is like... Excuse me. Snakes? Oh wow, yeah, there's standing water. Wow, man.
There's the Oasis water.
Yeah. Are you happy to see it? You've been walking through the desert.
And that's what that's.
Wow, stagnant water.
Fill up your canteen.
Life-saving.
How motivated do you have to be to drink that? How desperate, I guess.
I mean, you're on the verge of death anyway, right? I mean,
yeah, if you don't drink it, you die from dehydration.
But I have a feeling if you drink that, you're going to die of dehydration anyway.
Yeah, it's like 3 days later.
Well, I scared something.
What do you mean?
I heard rustling.
It's just the snakes. You out here?
Fuck, dude, there's a lot of bees.
There
Oh, there's a dragonfly.
you can see how deep the water is.
It looks like it starts to head back out.
Ow, that's my knee.
I'm not the only one making mistakes.
I still have my shoes.
You do. I have them. They're just covered in toxic mud. Wow. When the wind blows through. No, I mean, this is pretty fucking cool.
Yeah, I imagine this could be close to like what Pacific Islands are like. With dense, yeah, like palm tree forests.
Someone's in the poop hole
Yep,
filming you.